Hey everyone, this is Andrew with another episode of That's Interesting. Today we're going to talk about levels of thinking. I know that there's different ways or different classifications of comprehension in general, like Bloom's taxonomy, but you can look for them later or why not look for them now and see what you think. We're thinking about identification. That's interesting because, well, actually it's a bit of a lower level, pretty basic. Thinking about quantitative and qualitative observations. For respectively, the first one is about measurement or number using tools of measurement, thinking about math. Qualitative is about the senses. I know that there's more than five senses. We can talk about that later. Inferences, they kind of see your stance or claim on the subject when you're dealing with using pieces of evidence and trying to make a claim out of it. When we're talking about prediction, we're finding out what's happening next within a sequence of events. So not all of these apply to essays or things like that. Some of them could actually be dealing with proofs or other types of categories. On the next level, we find comparison, analysis, and synthesis. Comparison, you can use a Venn diagram or a T-chart for a graphic organizer, trying to see what's different, using an anecdote or a connection towards a personal event, that's all right. Analysis, breaking things down, trying to see like the bit by bit, what happens or what's the process of this? Why is it happening or why is it like that? When we're having synthesis, it's basically trying to form something out of the many individual parts, like a summary. Yeah. It's pretty weird to talk about the applications because you see them every time, like in school, different assignments. For these are reasoning. So the top is talking about elaboration, and then level 3 is reasoning. We're trying to go a bit further, trying to see if it's good or bad, trying to see how it justifies something, trying to see if it matters at all, finding the significance. For application, empathy and metacognition for level 4, we're having a bit of a hard time classifying this because they're applicable for different things. Like how do we apply it? How would we see it within the eyes of someone else? How would you think about getting that answer? And then doing things? Okay, that's just my opinion. Why would I even say we? However, you can look more about this to see what you can think about thinking.